Good morning, good morning, good morning. So today, Thursday, January 28. Walang kalam-alam si Jacob.
So, surprise na natin sasabihin na natin yung secret natin. Di ba sabi natin, nasa Australia siya. Buong akala niya, nasa Australia siya.
So, natulog pa rin siya. Pero sasabihin namin na yan. Pagod yan.
Gisingin natin.
Nakakaawa naman pagod.
Gisingin natin mamayang konti pag nakaready.
Sa sasakyan, huwag mo sabihin mo na yung dali mo na doon pag nakita niya, doon na lang.
Hindi, makikita niya sa labas yung itsura eh. Kaya sabi ko siya, guys, nag-build akong blindfold. Iba-blindfold ko na lang siya. Tapos pagdating doon, tatanggalin ko.
So, ito, nag-ready lang kayo mga damit namin. Susutin. Kasi kailangan mauna kami doon para yung parkingan malapit kasi siyempre may bata kami. So, anyways guys, stay tuned. Yeah! Wow!
Iba niya, guys.
Okay. Jacob boy. Yeah, like that. Stay to 3.
Jacob.
Where are you? Where are you?
Read it! Jacob! You're in this
You're Disneyland, Jacob!
there.
Yeah! Si Bryce gising na. Pero yung surprise namin, tulog pa. Kami nakabihis na kami. Yan. Si Ann, yan, nagre-ready na rin. Kasi, yun nga, kailangan namin maaga kasi parkingan. So anyways, say hi, Brycey. Say hi, Brycey. Say baby. Baby. Huh? Abi niya. Say hi, good morning, YouTube. Good morning, YouTube. Ayan o, ginigising na niya. Tingnan mo.
Ano ba?
Yan ang brother's love. Yan.
Ano ba?
Ayan, tuloy. Gising na. Okay. Jacob. Uy. Come on. Let's get ready na. Wake up. Stand up. Come on, let's go. You're gonna be late. Huh? You're gonna be late. Come on. Yeah. Go to the washroom now. And take a shower. Okay. Everybody's ready. Let's go. Go down. Okay. Coffee. Hey, coffee. So, undawin na kami dito sa sakyan. Medyo maaga pa nga. Pero mas maganda, syempre. Hindi pa naman malamig. Oo nga. Akala ko malamig kanina. Ayan. Mga kasama ko. Ito na yung kotse namin. Lapit lang. So, wala ako ng kape. Kakain sila. Tubig. That's it. Grabe ang traffic. Kanina pa kami dito sa highway. Sobrang traffic, guys. Oh my God. Umambon ba? Umambon na. As you can see, tingnan nyo.
In 3 kilometers, use the second from the right lane to take exit 110B for Disneyland Drive toward Ball Road.
Grabe.
Ayan na, malapit na tayo. Ayan, hinaan mo kasi maririnig nung isa. Malapit na tayo, guys. Nakita nyo yun na yung daan. Hanap kami ng parking. Disney Parks, parking only. Yan, dyan tayo. Yan, hanap kami. Dito na tayo sa resort. Malapit na.
We're here.
Makikita niya kasi kunin ko lang yung
Di pa rin niya alam mo, wala pa rin siyang idea. So, makikita niya mamaya yung site. So, pakita natin mamaya. I don't know what mommy doing to you though.
But why are we here?
Because your cousin. Yeah.
coming soon.
Yeah.
Airport nga.
We're here at the airport, Jacob. We're here at the airport. We're gonna, yeah. We're meeting your cousin and we're gonna go to the airport. And then that's it. Okay? Yeah. Wow. 7 years. Hindi kami nakabalik. Ooh.
Binablindfold ko kasi makikita niya, guys.
No.
I'm gonna,
Si Bryce. Okay. Jacob boy. Where are you, Jacob boy? Where's your cousin? Just wait for your cousin, Jacob. They will be here.
So, nandito na kami.
They will be here. Don't worry. Yeah, like that, like that. Stay there like that.
Video natin strong, dalawa. Sasabihin na natin surprise. Ready ka na, Jacob?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Jacob!
Where are you? Where are you?
Read it! You're Jacob! You're in this
You're Disneyland, Jacob.
there. See?
Yeah.
You're not going 15 years old. You're going 7.
Yeah, I told you 3 years. It's here now.
What? What do you say? Yeah.
Hey,
Where are
something
you?
that's odd.
Disney? You should write yay! Right here.
Jacob, see?
Yay, Bryce! Say hi.
Okay, come on. Ah. I'm going entrance, Jacob. Huh? It doesn't look like it. Just wait. Okay, nandito na kami sa, hindi ko alam anong ano to, parang train ata to. Yan, yung mga papunta dun sa entrance, I think. So, ito na kami lahat. Ha?
Manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y gracias.
Hey, nandito na kami. Punta na kami sa entrance,
Finally.
sa ticket. Ang dami ng tao. Sobrang dami. As in libo. Pero wala tayong magagawa. Let's enjoy our day. Sana makaride tayo ng madami kahit papano.
Yep.
Experience sa mga bata.
Yes. Can you eat?
Ayun na, yun oh. Yun na. Yan. Si Jaan na. So, vlog tayo doon. Ayan oh, 70 years na pala sila. Nakalagay dyan sa sign na yan oh, 70.
years.
Celebrate 70 years.
Sakto pa lang natin natin 70 years.
Yeah. That's why it's full. Even though it's a weekday. Pinili na namin weekday, pero full pa din.
Yan, nakapasok na kami. Pipicture lang kami muna. Dito. Yan, yung date nilang 70th anniversary. Yan. Walang tabi ng isang picture. Weekdays, pero ang daming tao. Yan.
Happy!
Na happy. Look.
Hi! Ito si Jacob.
Jacob boy.
Hi!
Hi, Jacob boy. Happy oh. Kailan nyo? Ngo? Mami, Jacob. Maraming tao. Pero enjoy. enjoy natin ngayon. Right, Jacob boy? You happy? You surprised, Jacob? Huh?
Yeah.
Let's go. 7 years ba naman hindi kami nakabalik dito. So wala pa tong dalawa kong anak. Kami lang pa lang noon ni Mami. So
pregnant that time.
yeah, pregnant siya that time. So ngayon, yan. Bumalik kami. Yan, yun yung castle guys. So, yun na yun, no? Kita nyo ba? Ha?
Dito muna tayo.
Di ba tayo?
Go here.
Oh, Jacob! Eh, yung mga klaseng sakyan niya, no? Oh, ganda naman ng sakyan na yan. Let's walk boy, Jacob. Yes. Yan. Buti maaraw ngayon. Parang umulan ka kanina. Pero okay lang. Ayan. Okay. Tingnan natin kung anong meron dito sa Tomorrowland. Check out natin. Star Tour. Jacob boy, Star Wars. Jacob boy. Anong meron dyan? Magra-ride daw kami. Come on, Jacob. Hold my hands. Try namin mag-ride ngayon. Oh. Look. Look, Jacob. Hindi ko alam nung ride dito pero titingnan namin. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng ride to pero hindi sila. Oh, that's crazy. Jacob?
Yeah.
Nice? You like it? Bawal kasi mag-video dun sa loob. So. Jacob was scared. No, he wasn't. He's brave. That's nice, Bryce. Okay, so tayo ng ano next natin puntahan? Ha? Starcade, Alien Pizza. Oh.
Dito sa Tomorrowland, may Finding Nemo submarine.
Finding Nemo?
Tsaka yung Autopia, yung powered by Honda.
Okay, tara.
So, nagawa nyo na yung...
Try lang namin tong Nemo submarine. Ayan.
Picture muna tayo.
Yeah, picture muna. Wala masyadong pila, pero let's go. Try natin to. Ayan. Ay, ating nabukan na natin to noon eh.
Yeah, it's gonna be Jacob's first time to try this to ride the submarine, Jacob.
You gonna like it, Jacob?
The submarine.
Yan na. Yan, dyan kami sasakay. Ito.
Finding Nemo submarine.
Why are you so scared, Jacob? Submarine. Oh, sorry, Jacob.
Welcome aboard, explorers. Please move all the way down to the last available seat.
Ano, upo na lang tayo dyan?
Space move between yourselves.
We're in a submarine, baby. There's the water. Under the water.
This is all your day, Jacob. That's what we
And Jake and Bryce Day. Say hi, Bryce. Say hi. He wants to vlog.
And na. Wow. Look, Jacob boy. Jacob. Ooh, I don't see. I don't know. I don't see anything too.
I only see water.
Ooh, there. There, Jacob boy. Oh, see now.
Wind run at 20 degrees. Set course directly over the lost
See
sea.
now? Oh, hey, Nemo, right there. Nemo, right there. Oh, wow. Hindi namin nakuhanan yung mga sina Pinocchio saka si Genie kasi nga excited kami. So nandun siya. So pero nakuha namin naman sa cellphone. So, yun lang. Enjoy na enjoy si Jacob. So, marami pa kaming oras hanggang gabi kami dito. So, yeah, Small World.
Sige na.
Ito, pumunta kami dun sa loob ng Small World. Yan yung mga pila. Hindi ko alam ano makikita dito pero we'll see. Ooh. Look! Ah, yun pala. Ganun lang pala. Sasakay ka lang ano.
It's a small world.
Yeah.
Please remain seated throughout the voyage, keeping your hands, arms,
Sasakay ka ng...
inside the boat. And please watch your children. Thank you.
Yan. Yan, sasakay na kami. Oh, ang galing ng timing natin. Oh, Jacob boy. Let's enjoy this one, Jacob boy. Huh? Look.
We're here at the It's a Small World.
Ayos. Jacob. Ano pa?
We're
in the water.
It's a small
In the
world.
water.
For your safety, please remain seated throughout your voyage.
Oh, look. Ganda dito. Wow. Ganda. Oh, hey. You enjoying it, Brycey? Oh, look, Jacob boy. Look, Jacob boy. Look, Jacob boy. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. Wow.
Right? Ano pa kayong right?
Happy sila oh. Dito kami ngayon sa Mickey Mickey Tool Town, Mickey Mouse. Yan, so nakikita nyo. Yan. Dito na sila ngayon. Oh, yeah. Picture lang. Oh, nandun oh. Pila ka dun oh. Donald Duck. Oh, picture muna kayo dyan kung gusto mo. Nandito kami ngayon sa Renwell. Ano to? Yeah, Mickey Mouse Railway. Katry lang namin kung ano yung mga rides dito. Oh, yeah, ito na nga. Rides ba or something na makikita mo lang. Pero, we'll see. Natin. Oh. Buti pwede si Bryce. Kasi normally mga rides hindi pwede. Kasi maliit. Ah, ano lang pala itong mga to. Oo.
Nothing can stop us now. We're gonna make it happen. Let's take a ride and spend the day in the countryside.
Sometimes we're here to stay, get away, and have a perfect day. We'll sing a song.
They can wait for us. Yeah, let's go. Oh. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami. Oh. What is this? Another train. Another ride. Mickey Mouse.
Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. You're all working so beautifully together. Oh. Now, let's
So I guess yun lang. That's it. Enjoy na naman si James. Yeah, that's it. That was That's good.
This one is cool. TV.
Yeah, I know.
That one is so cool, right?
Yeah, TV nga yun. Bicycle, guys! Kulay purple na bahay. Okay. Yeah. Maloko na. Mulan na. Ayan, pero mga tao, sige pa rin. Pero, show must be go on.
Hanggang 1 daw.
No, Bryce? Jacob boy? Yeah. Siyempre, sayang. Dito na kami. Dito yon. Pero Frontierland. Ayan.
Can we take a picture there?
Oh, yeah. Tayo nag-picture dito. Lahat na na eh, oh. Kumot na. Okay. Frontierland. Tignan natin kung anong meron dito. Lakas pa rin ang ulan pero sabi nila hanggang alauna lang daw. Sa mga isang oras pa. Jacob! What are you doing? Come on. Ayan. Sasakay sana kami sa barko kaso ayan na yung barko. Ayan o. Oo nga, tama nga sa sinasabi niyo.
Oh yeah, this is the ship, right?
15 minutes lang naman daw eh.
Okay na. 10 minutes na lang.
Come on. Yan. Ano kami ng barko, try lang namin. Kasi last time, hindi ko na-try yung last time. Ay na siya. Parating na. Tara. Yan, sasakay kami sa ferry.
Wait, no?
I know.
Queen Disneyland.
Kasi hindi natin na-try ito last time eh. So, hindi kami nakasakay. Kaya sabi ko, hindi kami nakasakay last time. So, na-try namin ngayon.
Sakto ba? Ang aming balong.
Bagong gising si Bryce.
Si Bilog. Si Bilog.
Na, di ba?
Look.
Ooh.
Welcome aboard the Mark Twain Boat.
Eto na.
I'll be your captain for this journey along
Eto na. What?
just a
Dito
few
tayo?
reminders to keep us all safe during our trip. Please do not sit or climb on the outside.
Dito tayo sa taas.
Be sure to watch your children. We don't want to be fishing anyone out. Also, there should be no fires or smoking on board. Thank you. And now, here's a few words from the first mate.
Bienvenidos a bordo.
Mas maganda yung
Para su
dito
seguridad,
tayo.
No se sienten en las garantías exteriores.
Ayan o.
Ni se trepen en las mismas. Asegúrense de vigilar a sus hijos.
Kita mo
Y
lahat.
absténganse de fumar. Gracias.
Oh. Ayan na. Ayan na.
Ito na dito pa.
Okay. Ayan, umaandar na.
So we can
Ito yung
avoid
Mickey Mouse
running
namin.
aground.
Jacob o.
Mark Twain is not just the name of a river
Yun.
or a great American author.
Jacob,
It
look at that,
also
look at
means
that,
to walk
Jacob.
here
Look,
is
look,
to
look, look.
defend
Oh
ourselves.
no, Jacob boy.
That
Oh
means it's safe
no.
enough for us to proceed on our steam-powered journey along the rivers and ghosts, ghouls, and goblins. And they're looking for one more to make it an even thousand.
Look at that.
If you're brave enough, you should see for yourself
Look at
after
the
we
ship.
arrive back at the landing in Frontierland. We're now passing Fowler's Harbor.
Jacob, come here.
This is homeport for the three-masted windjammer, the Columbia.
Oh.
The first
Dapat yan
American
ang
ship
ginamit.
to circumnavigate the globe.
Kitchen pala. Ano?
The Columbia set sail from Boston Harbor in 17...
Lilibutin ba natin yung ano? Ha?
side of the river is an Indian chief, and I do believe he's giving us a sign of peace. That means we're all clear as we head up the Missouri River to the home of the Plains Indians.
Huh? There's, no, they're not real, Jacob. They're fake. Oh shit, you're right, Jacob. They're real. They're real, Jacob. They're just sleeping.
Off the port side of the river is a wise old sharing a story always.
There's a big reindeer there.
He's telling the tale of how a woodpecker taught a young tribesman to take a hollowed-out branch and turn it into that most wondrous of musical instruments, the flute. It's a legend the Lakota have passed down from generation to generation.
Is it real, Jacob?
And there, just beyond the shaman, is a tribe.
That's it. Yun lang ang ride. Ang ganda na nakita namin. Ang ganda mga nakita. Experience.
Bryce is happy.
Huh?
Bryce is happy. Look.
I guess. Bryce is happy. You wanna vlog, Bryce? Ito yung naabangan namin kanina pa na parade na 1:30 na parade. Ayan.
Maliit million ba kaya? Why is it that obvious?
Excited pa, no? Nakapesto pa si Anna. Hanggang lang hanggang 2:45 minutes.
Because our last parade is big, remember? We're not walking, that's why. Because it rained.
Akala niya mahaba. Last time kasi maganda na last time, 7 years ago. Talagang bongga yung parade. Oh well. Ano, saan na tayo? Wala na. Wala na. Nag-carousel din yung dalawa. Ami, Brycey. Ay, Jacob boy.
We're riding the carousel. Brycey, Bryce.
Muulan na. Na naman. Yeah. Tapos kami ni Bryce ang naiwan. Brycey. Yeah. Lumalakas na naman ng ulan. Brycey. Wala na naman. Tingnan mo, daming taong ano mo yun? Nakakumot, nakakot. Ay. Si Bryce nababasa na. Sisilong muna kami kasi sila mami nandun sila sa nag-ride sila. So, mami. Bryce. Did you see Mom and Jake Bryce? Bryce? Hey Bryce, look. Mommy! Bryce! Hindi niya nakita. Had fun, Jacob? Huh? Jacob? Bakit?
Pinocchio. Gusto niya lang mag-ride. Natutuwa na siya na naman si Jacob.
Pinocchio? Pinocchio. Happy oh. Happy si Jacob boy. The best day. The best day, Jacob?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Is it the best day?
Yeah. Mommy, look. He was
Magra-ride ulit si Jacob boy. Pinocchio. Sayang. Huwag kayo pupunta dyan. Huwag kayo sasama sa kanila. Huwag kayo sasama sa kanila.
Hello, friends. This is Henry Cracker. Here's safety reminders before you board.
Wala kang makita.
Let me out of here, please. Hurry, hurry.
Wala. Ayan, pahinga lang muna kami dahil masakit ng mga katawan. Tsaka si Bryce, balik ng pampers. Ayan. Yay. Si Kuya naman, lalaro. Kasi mamaya pa kaming gabi dito. So pahinga muna.
Pero marami na kaming na-ride.
Yeah, marami nang na-rides.
As in, kasi hindi ganun
Kaso nga lang,
kabisi.
nakakapagod. So pahinga muna saglit.
Tignan mo, asensado yung amay, oh. Siya yung sinusubuan nung anak, oh. Di ba? Lambing talaga na to sa tatay niya. Kailangan hindi magugutom tatay ko. No? Dala siyang blueberry. Ayan, oh.
What is that, Bryce? Bryce?
Sweet, eh.
Ah.
Sweet.
Now we're going to Star Wars, not the one in Tomorrowland.
Probably this is the last one that I haven't been. We haven't been there yet. So, because all the theme park we went already except at Star Wars
Yeah. We went to everything.
and everything already, right, Jacob?
No,
No? Yeah, we did.
the Bay,
The Bayou.
the Bayou country.
Oh, yeah.
We haven't went there. We only saw the.
We only
did.
saw it by the ferry.
Yeah. Doesn't mean that we went there.
Okay.
We just saw it, not went.
That's good. Oh, I think this is new, Jacob. Huh? I think. Meron na ba ito noon? I think wala pa noon eh. Huh? Yeah.
Do you think this is the place where you make lightsabers?
Yeah, look all the it's like a movie, Jacob. I think they shoot a movie here. Look. And then you guys. Parang ito yung pinag-shootingan nila ng movie, oh. No? Oh! Let's go check it out. Oh, Jacob boy! Look at this face!
Oh my.
Jacob boy! Oh! I think you can go inside, but I don't know how. Oh no, it's closed. Tignan natin yung mga paninda ng mga souvenir. Hindi ako masyadong big fan ng Star Wars pero titignan lang namin. Tara. Mga laruan. Mga mask. Oh, Darth Vader. Oh, wow. This is nice. Yeah. Ayoko lang itong ano niya. Parang I don't know. Pangit. Oh. Ganda yung tela, ah. Mahal. Siyempre, expected mo na yan dito kasi sa loob ng Disneyland. Mahal talaga yan. Yan. Parang mag-open na ata mamaya yan. Ba't na nandun lang? Ano?
I will order that at Timo.
Oo nga, Timo. Marami yan. Amazon, magkano lang. Same lang din yan. Yung mga ano. Pero nga, ba't di tayo pumunta dati dito? Oh, ganda pala dito. Wow, parang talagang yung movie talaga na ano eh, oh. Na ginaganap. Oh? Ha?
Probably use it for the movie.
Oh, what's that, Jacob? The spaceship that we drive earlier, remember?
Ganda niya.
Ganda pa niya. Oo. Sisave ko yung picture na yun. Iba talaga pag matangkad ka na, baby yan. Ayan. Di mo makikita yan eh. Mayroon din sa loob. Standby, wait time 15 minutes. Let's go. Ano yan kaya yan? Rides? Or makikita mo lang yung mga ano. Tara, Jacob! Yan yung spaceship. Kanina sinakyan natin, Jacob, oh. That's the spaceship that remember the Star Wars earlier?
Oh yeah, we landed here.
Yeah, we landed here.
And then we went to a different universe.
Yes, that's the one. Baisi? And gumagabi na. Ayan o. 6 o'clock na ng gabi. Meron daw kasing parade ulit, sabi ni Ann. Kaya nandito pa kami. Nabangan namin pero oh boy, pagod na, sakit na ng katawan, sakit na ng paa. Sila sa kasi Bryce nandun sa loob. Ayan, may bili sila ng ano, ng yung bubbles ng may ilaw, yung gusto ni Jacob. Pero yeah, maya tapos na kami. Show me, ano yung nabili mo, Jacob?
He got a souvenir for the 70th.
Oh.
Ang ganda, oh. May bubbles pa. Jacob, that's enough. Okay.
It's enough.
Pa-light mo na lang. Light. Make it
light. Light lang. Don't turn it on because he's gonna do it. Just light.
Can he borrow? Thank you. Oh, he's just gonna hold it. Bryce, lay down ka, Bryce. Yeah. Ay, naaral niya. Alam niya may boto. Ano lang yung bata.
Okay, so nandito kami ngayon sa may castle kasi abangan lang namin yung projector tawag dito. I don't know. Pero gusto daw namin panoorin yon, and then after that we're gonna go kasi sobrang pagod na kami. Sobrang pagod si Jacob, pa ako, grabe. But yeah, this is gonna be the last video namin dito.
Hi!
Pantay lang namin yung projector. I-video ko din yun. So, then after that, kakain, and then uwi. Day 3. So,
feel it now, with you and me, a gentle stream of energy. I know it's wondrous. anything